Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In the particular video we'll talk about the All India quota 50% expected cutoff as per the new examination pattern, where the number of question is 200 and total marks will be 800. Earlier the total marks was 1200, and out of 1200 I had already created a video what would be the expected cutoff in terms of a score for All India quota 50%. If you are targeting for a particular government college, then and particular branch, what should be your target? So in this particular video I'll tell you about which branch, how much you should target, what should be the score you should target. Before that, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can subscribe the channel and you can avail our paid services for the counseling guidance starting from day 1 until the counseling process goes on. You can call on to the number given on the screen 9319128677. So let's get started. Branch wise expected All India quota 50% cutoff for MSMD courses in government colleges and branch wise. So out of 800 marks, how much you need to score? You should set the target in order to get particular branch in government college. Talking about radio diagnosis, you need to have a score of 527 to 540. Between 527 to 540, you need to have the score for the best and most demanding branch, that is radio diagnosis. For dermatology, you need to have similar kind of target, 527 to 733. That 733 is mistake. You need to correct that. It will be around 527 to 535. Okay. For general medicine, it will be 497 to 503. For pediatrics, you can set your target around 500 to 507. Obs-gynae, the target we should set is 487 to 494. If you are going for TB and chest in government college, you should definitely score between 473 to 480. For orthopedics, your cutoff would be 460 to 467. General surgery, it will be around 453 to 460. For ophthalmology, it will be 467 to 453 to 467. It's just reverse. It's kind of mistake from my side. Sorry for that. For ENT, it will be around 437 to 440. For anesthesia, it will be around 433 to 440. I have just covered for clinical branches, and this is going to give you a very good idea what should be your target score, because when you do the GT now and test series and everything, you will have a different score, because wherever you have joined the test series and all those things, they will change their question pattern, more image based questions, video based questions, GIS based questions, and 200 questions will be there in 3 hours and 30 minutes. So out of that, how much you are able to score, you should tally with this target score for getting a government college in these branches. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a nice day. If you want to subscribe, if you want to avail our paid services, you can call us. If you have any kind of doubt, application filling is going on. So if you have any kind of doubt, any kind of question related to DNB counseling, All India quota counseling, deemed counseling, private colleges counseling, state level counseling, you can first subscribe to this channel and you can call us to the number so that you get right direction. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.